Guys, today I'm gonna show you best hosting plans you can buy for your online business or blog. So let's watch full video. So guys, uh, I'm starting from the first site. So just open your Google and you have to search here for GoDaddy. I think you know about this site, but because I am going to compare all sites hosting plans, so just watch full video, watch all sites one by one. So on the first site is GoDaddy. So now I am going to show you its hosting plan. So you have to click here and here hosting. So first you can see guys, here you can get what is actually hosting. Hosting is what makes your site visible on the web. We offer fast, reliable plans for every need, from a basic blog to high-powered site. Means if you are operating a blog or you have site for only any type of online business, small, medium or larger scale, it doesn't matter. GoDaddy avail hosting for every kind of business and blog. So you're watching here, it's hosting types: web hosting, business hosting, reseller hosting, WordPress solutions. No, so I'm gonna show you about these three hostings. Web hosting. So guys, you are watching this. Host a single website. If you want to host one website, your single website, then the price is very low for it, ₹99 per month, and it's on 50% discount. If you are looking for hosting plan, then this is a very good option. By the way, this is COVID-19 time, so all sites are availing good price for hosting. So now watch here, economy. Basic resources for starter sites. If you are making an economy site, then the plan is $199 per month. For deluxe, $299 per month. Recommended for WordPress. More power for site with heavy traffic, ideal for WordPress site. If you want a hosting for any WordPress site, then it's $449 per month. Okay, so this is the web hosting plans. Now let's go to the business hosting. So you can read here what is business hosting. It's the best of both worlds. Ramped up power of a virtual private server, but with an easy to use control panel that doesn't require a degree in computer science to operate. So you can watch here, you can buy here hosting for any e-commerce site, or if you want high traffic, then so if you want to see the plans, then you just simply click here as I am showing you. If you want to launch your site, the price is $1,159 per month for e-commerce site. For enhancing, $1,479 per month. For growing, $1,919 per month. So guys, you can see all plans, all features here on GoDaddy. But if you are just operating a single small kind of website like any blog, then you can buy ₹99 per month hosting, because it's a very good option. But now before you buy, I'm gonna show you another hosting plans of another brands. So this is GoDaddy. So next I am showing you A2 hosting. So I don't want to take your so much time, so I just want to keep this video short. So for full plans and full features you should visit the site, but I am showing you here in short. Like you are watching here for in A2 hosting site, there is hosting plan for one site is 901.79 INR monthly. Here you can want what will you get: one website, 10 GB storage, SSL certificate, uh, one click site stacking, easy automation backups, free chatbot personal license, free and easy site migration, anytime money back guarantee. For 3 sites the price is 1428.66. If you are operating 3 sites, then you can get this benefit of hosting 3 sites at 1428.63 price. If you want to get unlimited plan, then it's about 2782 2782.68 INR monthly. So you can see here full features: unlimited websites, 40 GB storage, free SSL certificate. 40 GB storage is a lot. Guys, if you don't know, I tell you SSL certificate for your site security, because site security is must at this time to prevent your site from hackers. So one click site stacking, easy automated backups, free jetpack personal license, free and easy site migration, anytime money back guarantee. So this is a good plan. So next I am showing you. So you have watched A2 hosting plan. So next is InMotion. Guys, I am gonna show you 10 sites. By the way, there are millions of sites on internet for hosting, but I'm just showing you the 10 best sites. InMotion hosting. So you're watching here $4.99 per month. So we are gonna see plans here. So you're watching here light plan is $2 per month. Here you will find one website, 10 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, one email accounts, 100 MB email storage, easy to use cPanel. cPanel is for managing your site. So the next is launch. So this plan price is $4 per month. You can watch all features here. Power plan. There are so many kind of plans depending what your sites need. It's pro plan. You're watching here $12 per month. So guys, I'm just showing you prices and some features. If you want to watch all features replayed, then you should visit the site. So next is a very popular and interesting site that provide hosting as per customer need, that is SiteGround. So you're watching here, I am on SiteGround's site. So let's get started. See its plan. So startup plan, you're watching $6.99 per month. Grow big, $9.99 per month. Go geek, $14.99 per month. If you want to see features, then I'm showing you feature of a startup plan. You will get here one website, 10 GB web space, 10,000 visits monthly, unlimited traffic, free SSL, daily backup, free CDN, free mail, managed WordPress, unlimited databases, 100% renewable energy match, 30 days money back. And if you choose Grow Big plan, then here is unlimited websites. So you're watching here all 20 GB web space, 25,000 visits monthly, unmetered traffic, free SSL, daily backup, free CDN, free mail, managed WordPress, unlimited databases, 100% renewable energy match, 30 days money back. So if you buy Go Geek plan, then here is also unlimited websites, but the space is much. 40 GB web space, 40 GB a lot, guys. 1 lakhs visits monthly, unmetered traffic, free SSL, daily backup, free CDN, free mail, managed WordPress, unlimited databases, 100% renewable energy match, 30 days money back. So guys, whatever plan you like or prefer, you can buy here. Next one is WP Engine. So guys, first I am showing you all sites hosting plans feature, then I will tell you my recommendation what plan you should buy. So let's get started. So here you can buy hosting plan for agency, enterprise, small and medium businesses. So I'm showing you here small and medium businesses. So by here it's plan. Startup plan cost is $25 per month. Here you will find 25,000 visits, 10 GB storage, 50 GB bandwidth per month, one site included. And growth plan is $95 per month. Here you will find 1 lakh visits, 20 GB storage, 200 GB bandwidth and per month, and 10 sites included. Means if you buy this plan, you can manage your 10 sites with this plan. So this is a scale plan, $241 per month. Here you will find 4 lakh visits, 50 GB storage, 500 GB bandwidth, 30 sites included. Premium plan cost is $360 per month. 7 lakh visits you are watching, 100 GB storage, 100 GB bandwidth, up to 50 sites included. Premium one plan, $552 per month. I think you will not need it. So let's go to another site. It's Green Geeks. So Green Geeks is availing hosting plan at $2.91 per month. So it's a good plan because it is given discount. at this time. So you're watching here WordPress hosting. It's availing on $2.94 per month. Seller hosting $19.95 per month. VPS 39.95. So it's good. So next is now I am going to show you some important site you must visit. So this is HostGator. So here guys, you are watching HostGator is giving free .NET domain with hosting purchase. So you're watching here, it's also availing hosting at very low price, 99 rupees per month for shared hosting, low traffic websites. What will you get? Read here: unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email accounts, one click installs, and an India server location. WordPress hosting, 249 per month, 2 into speed, high performance, near instant provisioning, Indian server location. Cloud hosting at 479 per month. VPS hosting 1199 per month. So it's low traffic site plan is really very good because 99 per month. So you should one thing remember that if you are doing a business, then you don't need to see any cheap hosting. You should just prefer any hosting which provide great features. So next is Bluehost. So it is also it's providing WordPress hosting at 199 per month. So you will also get free domain name for first year, free SSL certificate, one click WordPress install, 24-hour support. So it is providing shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting. So I'm going to show you one by one. So first let's see shared hosting. So you're watching here, basic plan is around 199 per month. Here you will get one website, 50 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, one equivalent domain, 5 pack domains, 25 subdomains. So one Indian per month, and these features are actually not bad. So you can prefer this plan. So now I'm going to show you VPS hosting. So you're watching here, standard plan is 1159 per month. You will find here these features you are watching here. So next one is dedicated hosting. So you're watching here, the standard line is around 4859 per month. So let's go to another site, that is uh, Hostinger. So this is the last site I'm going to show you. After watching this, you can decide what hosting plan you should buy. You can decide it by remembering the price and features, whatever you prefer. So this is Hostinger, and I will also give you my suggestion for what hosting plan you should buy. So there is special offer on Hostinger. You're watching a 59 rupees per month hosting plan. It is starting from 59 per month. You're watching here the features: one website, one email account, limited bandwidth 100 GB, free SSL certificate, 1 to allocated resources, premium web hosting rupees 119 per month. I think guys this site is providing at very low prices, because premium plan is one at 119 per month is, I think, really great. And you can see the features here: 300 websites you can manage here, 100 email accounts, unlimited bandwidth, WordPress acceleration, free SSL certificate and domain. I think a lot for your site. Business web hosting at 219 per month. I think that is great. But still there is something much great. I will tell you. So you have watched plans of hosting. So guys, now I'm telling you, you can decide what plan you're gonna buy. But I just suggest you that GoDaddy is the most popular and most customer needed brand. You should buy hosting from there, because uh, this brand is really great. I'm also using GoDaddy hosting. So it's my recommendation, is depend to you what you like. So guys, I hope you like the video. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.